Good day everyone. I'll be discussing about the advantages of using rubrics, development of scoring rubrics, and the template for holistic rubrics. When assessing the performance of the student when using performance-based assessment, it is very important to use scoring rubrics. On your screens are the list of advantages used to assess students' performance. A. Allow consistency and objectivity in scoring across the given criteria. Permit uniformity when assessing scores. B. Clarify the criteria in more specific terms. Gives precise clarification. C. Students can identify the basis on how they are to be evaluated. Able to recognize the criteria used to evaluate them. D. Allow the students to assess their own performance, products, or works. Let the students evaluate their own performance. E. Teachers can use small amount of time to evaluate the performance of the students. Students or teachers can assess their performance in a brief period of time. F. Students can evaluate their own performance and performance of other classmates. Students are able to assess both their own and their peer performance. G. Provide specific feedback on the performance of the students, especially analytic scoring. Give students detailed feedback. H. Serves as a standard when preparing the task, activity against the measure, and progress is documented. This acts as a guide in preparing a task. I. Provide student feedbacks about their strengths and weaknesses according to their performance, depending on how well they perform regarding their areas of strength and weaknesses. In front of you are the list of different steps in developing rubrics used in assessing the performance, product, and process of the students for classroom use. A. Be sure the criteria focus on important aspects of the performance. Teachers should identify the different attributes that are most important and related to the learning outcome. B. Match the type of rating with the purpose of the assessment. Assessment is very important in the type of rating. Scheme. Holistic is for overall judgment while analytic is for different aspect. C. The description of the criteria should be directly observable. Description focused on behavior or characteristic of the performance. D. The criteria should be written so that the students, parents, and others understand them. Criteria should be discussed first with the student so they can easily comprehend the idea. E. The characteristics and traits used in the scale should be clearly and specifically defined. Discuss the details of the description to avoid misinterpretation. F. Take appropriate steps to minimize scoring error. Make sure that the scoring system is objective and reliable and error should be avoided. G. The scoring system needs to be feasible. It should be workable. The template presented can be modified depending on the performance task that the student should be able to accomplish. Number 5 are demonstrate complete understanding of the problem or all requirements of the task are provided. Number 4, demonstrate considerable understanding of the problem, mostly included. 3. Demonstrate partial understanding of the problem, slightly included. Number 2, demonstrate little understanding of the problem, missing task. 1. Demonstrate no understanding of the problem, submitted but no requirements met. 0 is no response or task not attempted means no submission. That's all from me today. Thank you for listening.